Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am showing you today how, well, I'm not gonna be showing it to you, but I'm gonna basically share with you my process for detoxing my locks. This is my first time ever doing this. I didn't get a chance to go to my stylist, and I also want to learn how to basically do this myself because I'm not driving 30 minutes every month or every 2 weeks to go get my hair done. So I actually needed to learn how to do my hair. So I'm gonna go through that process. I'm gonna just share a little bit of what I do for the first time. I'm definitely gonna be using apple cider vinegar. I do have some people that likes to put baking soda, or they like to use salt and all of that stuff, but so today all I'm going to be using is apple cider vinegar and do the rinse, and then I'm going to be using the shampoo design essentials. My cousin recommended this to me. She's a loctician, and I really find it to be very good, and it keeps the hair very moisturized even after shampooing, because you can only shampoo your locks, so I've been told. So, and I'm gonna add a little bit of something different. I'm going to use this constructive keratin 2-minute constructor. I usually use this when I was just natural, when I didn't have locks. But I'm going to use this because I feel like it maybe will help keep the locks strong. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but this is me trying this out and see how it turns out, so that I can basically keep my locks from being damaged. And after, I decided to also use this hair treatment mask by I guess Eden the coconut shea. I'm gonna kind of keep this. I don't know if you're even supposed to do, I don't think I've seen people do this. You're supposed to just wash your locks and keep it dry, whatever, but I want to do all this process to it to see if like I get a different thing. I think my hair is pretty locked in already, so I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll tell you how it turned out. But if you also want to watch a video of my lock journey and why I started my locks, click on this link so you can get that video. I don't know if I still have it. If I don't have it and put it in this, then that means I lost it. But I'll do another one and give you that process of why I started my locks and my journey. So it's been a year since I've had my locks. I have started them in November of 2021. No, 2022, I'm sorry. No, 2021, and November 2022 made it 1 year, so now we're in 2023, so I'm about to hit 2 years this year. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something from my process, and I guess I'm just still figuring this out. This is new to me, so just bear with me, and if you see something that I'm doing that is wrong, please enlighten me. I don't mind learning from y'all. This is a two-way street. Yeah, so the camera basically turned off. I don't know what happened, but yeah, this is a two-way street, as I was saying, and I want to learn from you guys, and as much as I want you to learn from me, or I guess from my journey. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you would like to see more of my lock journey, please make sure you subscribe and you give this video a thumbs up so that my videos can be recommended to others and we can be on this journey together. Thank you guys. Mwah. Later.
$1,000 in here. Go. 10, 9.
Guys, so I'm out of the shower. Let me hurry up and tell you what I did, because my camera's about to literally die. So before that happens, I used this shampoo. Well, first, remember how I put the apple cider vinegar? I used the apple cider vinegar. I used all of it because I wanted to make sure that my hair was really detoxed and very well cleaned. And then I used this shampoo first, and I mixed it with water. I put it in this. I never put shampoo straight on my hair. I always put it in a little applicator. I apply this with water, and then I do the first wash, and then I did the same thing, and I used this and I put it in this applicator and I rinsed and I also washed my hair, and I did that 3 times. Then after that, I applied the Keratin 2 Minutes by AphoG. Okay, this right here, I used to use it, like I mentioned before, for my natural hair to kind of make it stronger and apply the protein that I need, and just leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes and you should be good. You should feel the difference in your hair after washing it. Then after using that, I reapplied the shampoo again, reapplied the shampoo, and then now I actually have this in my hair. So that was the overall process. I'm gonna let you know how I feel, because this is my first time using this Eden natural hair mask treatment, so that I can actually get some strength from my locks. I just don't want my locks to be breaking. So I don't know if people have done this, but I'm gonna do it. All I do is apply a little bit of amount and then just press it against the hair, press it against, that's it. And now I'm just gonna leave that for about 30 minutes. Okay, just press it down into the hair, and then I'm going to wash it in a minute. But yeah, my hair feels so much fuller since the 1-year anniversary, so I'm so excited about this journey, y'all. But anyway, guys, that will be all, and I will come back after I charge my camera and let you know how I'm feeling about this treatment and how it made my hair feel. Okay, later, bye. Hey guys, so I am back, and I put my hair in a ponytail, I guess. Well, I put it in high buns. But I have a rapport. The product that I use, the Eden mask or conditioner that I use on my hair, I actually like it. You know, it didn't really dry out my hair, and that's the reason why I did it. My hair still feels very like strong, but also soft, and that's what I was going for. And I think you can try it as well. And I think I spoke to my friend, or I guess I spoke to my best friend, and she told me, yeah, we can condition your hair. Like, people do that all the time. Just because you have locks doesn't mean you don't take care of it the proper way. As long as you're using conditioners that are not like hard to come out of your hair, you know. And I got all of the product out. But yeah, and I really like this. I don't know yet how to twist my hair, so I'm not gonna show you how I do that. I'm just gonna probably just put my oils, and I'm gonna show you the oil that I use. This was the oil recommended by my cousin, the loctician that I told you about, Princess. Shout out to her. Yeah, so she recommended this oil, and I'm gonna use this. It's really good. It makes your hair it coats the hair, moisturizes the strands. So I'm going to just apply this in my hair and just let it be just the way that it is, and go about my day. And I'll go to my loctician to retwist it, or maybe I'll attempt at retwisting it, and if I do, I'll show you, you know, how I got that done. But for the most part, I probably won't try it because it's a lot of work and I haven't really got the hang of it. But thank you guys for getting through this video. If you are in the process of starting your lock journey, just be patient and learn all of the different phases. Get to learn your hair and how your hair reacts to different products. That way you're not damaging your hair. You taking proper care of it. So yeah, that is about all I have for today. I think that was the very first time I think that was like the second or third time that I actually went in and wash my hair by myself and do this whole thing by myself and do the whole detoxing, because I usually go to my hairstylist and my loctician. So yeah, tell me about your journey and how you started your lock journey, and how it's been going for you, and what are the products that you use. You can put them in the comments below. Let us interact with each other and kind of help each other out. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and put a thumbs up so that I can be boosted. You can see more videos when I put them out. And also put the notification bell so that when I actually put out another video, you get notified and you won't miss out. Alright, my bellitas. We'll see y'all later. Bye.